Another Saturday, another day at Torch Lake. Got to get the boat uncovered. So last week we came out every other day. We were out 4 times out of 7 or whatever. This week we've been out 0 times. We haven't been out since last Sunday. In the last video of Torch Lake, the kids looked super depressed while we were driving out. They weren't. I think that they were just eating candy. So, or were you depressed?
Probably the second one.
You were depressed?
Yeah.
Why?
What does that mean? I don't know.
Are you messing with me?
Yes.
Great boat name. Nice. Kate, do you like the sandbar? Maybe. What'd you say you wanted to do all week?
I'm not telling you.
Come to the boat. There's a shark! Annual tradition. Dave's Burger Barge sticker goes on the inside of the glove box. This is our 9th year here. 1 sticker for every year. It's hard to do this with one hand that's wet. New design this year too. I just had the weirdest thing happen. So the drone was completely uncontrollable. So all of that video, I was not flying it. That was just me trying to get it back to the boat. So I actually just crashed it into the lake right there. Some other guys were standing there and grabbed it for me. So it's here. It was still on when it crashed. But yeah, I've never had it go crazy like that. So hopefully the card has video on it and I can edit this into something, but I don't know. I'm gonna let it dry out a little bit. All right, the drone turns on, but the clip is damaged. So I have what's streamed back to the phone, which you can see is pretty low quality, but hopefully it'll start flying again soon. I get some video later today. I'm gonna let it sit in the sun and dry out. It's a pretty good day out here, pretty busy. This thing is awesome. It's like a giant aluminum boat. How dare you, sir? Oh, this water is amazing. I can't believe you guys are in the boat. Another beautiful day on Torch Lake. Thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll be able to either get the drone working or buy a new one, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out tonight.
Subscribe to me too.
Update. This is the one that was in the lake yesterday. It works. The camera does not transmit an image, and I can't get the video from the card. Doesn't work, but pretty amazing. Also, this is my backup drone. This one has been in the lake 3 times, and it works perfectly, so we're back in business.